LabiCare is a brand manufactured by SK Scientific and Surgicals, who manufactures ISO, European for Digit Notified, CDSCO certified products. Welcome to our production video showcasing the advanced features and design of our laboratory refrigerator engineered to meet modern laboratories. Exterior design: sleek, durable exterior for functionality and aesthetics. Interior layout of our laboratory refrigerator is designed with flexibility and convenience in mind. It features adjustable shelves that can be easily repositioned to accommodate items of various sizes. Additionally, the refrigerator includes removable storage bins, allowing you to customize the internal configuration to suit your specific storage needs. An efficient use of space and easy access to your laboratory samples and supplies. Temperature control: precise digital thermostat for -2 to Celsius to 8°C. Energy efficiency: LED lighting, high-efficiency compressors for energy savings. Alarm system: advanced alarm system for temperature deviations and power outages. Storage capacity of our laboratory refrigerator, available in various sizes from 100 to 4,000 liters. Customization options: customizable features such as glass or solid doors, lockable options for added security, and adjustable shelving configurations. Optional features: additional options features data logging, remote monitoring, and backup power supply.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of our advanced laboratory refrigerator. Contact us at 999-688-8877 or email at skscientificindia@gmail.com to enhance your lab operations.